Did you know that there are curtains in your camera? Not ones like these, but ones that can affect your flash photography and help you make pictures like this one. So in most modern DSLR cameras, there are two shutter curtains that move separately to expose the digital sensor to the light coming through your lens. You normally don't have to think about it, but when you use a flash, you can set it to fire at the beginning of the exposure, right after the first curtain opens up, or at the end of the exposure, before the second curtain covers up the sensor. Now look, with a fast shutter speed, you really won't notice a difference because the shutter isn't open for very long, but things get more interesting when you use a longer exposure time. To demonstrate, I'm going to shoot a picture of my dancer friend leaping through the air. I'm going to stick some LED strip lights on her so we can really see the movement better, and it's just really cool looking. Now using a long 1 second exposure and no flash, you can see she's just a big blur. So I'm going to add in some flash to freeze her at some point during her leap. The default is first curtain sync, so the flash fires at the beginning, and then the rest of the time she's in the air is just a blur. This isn't really a natural look, so now I'm going to switch to second curtain sync. If I time it just right, I can have the blur happen first when the shutter opens, and then the flash fires right at the end of her jump. This makes the blurry part trail behind her and gives a more realistic looking sense of motion. If your subject isn't moving, then it's probably best to stay with first curtain sync, so you know that the flash will fire right when you push the button. But for those times when you want to shoot with a slow shutter speed, and especially if you want to have those trailing lines behind your subject, then switch to second curtain sync and fire away. Hey listen, if you like my 2-minute tip videos, then make sure to subscribe to the Adorama YouTube channel down below and catch a new episode every Monday at 11 a.m. Eastern. Follow me on social media at David Bergman, and I'll see you back here next week.